This is an example of how to use Screencast-O-Matic along with Whiteboard application online. In this case, it's AWWATT.com. So you just open up this website, and then you can illustrate and draw whatever you're trying to show to people. For example, if we want to have a lesson on dividing fractions, let's say if you had 1/3 divided by symbol, sorry, 2/5. The process you use is to rewrite it, change to multiplication, and turn this one upside down, multiply by the inverse. Then, as always with multiplying fractions, you just multiply the top times the top. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. So our answer on that is 5, 6. So that's how you can use Screencast at awwatt.com. And then when I'm done with this, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. And then I can, if I wanted to, get that downloaded so I could view it or share it offline too. All right, that's it.